Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, PHARRAWAY. Today in this video I'm gonna get started on the guitar. This guitar was sent to me a while back, and it was sent to me by this company, Bargain Musicians. You can go to their website. They have a lot of neat stuff. They do sell guitars made already, and they do sell guitars like the one I got that's not made. So you would have to sand it down, paint it, and do your magic on it. So I'll leave a link below so you can go to their website and get yourself a guitar, guys. They're not that expensive, and you'll have fun. You'll have fun building it. Also, it's a good subject for to learn how to paint. All right. So let me get started. Let me show you what I'm gonna start doing, and go from there. Alright guys, let me take it out of the box. I'm going to first start with the body, and then, I'll go from there. Right now it's kind of cold here in Texas, well, where I'm from. It's cold right now. I'll show you the temperature right now, but I can still start sanding and preparing everything. Alright guys, I'm going to start with a 400 grit sandpaper with a DA. So that's what I'm going to start doing, and let's go from there. Alright guys, after sanding it, I was sanding it for a while already. I just showed you the beginning, but I was sanding it for a while, and it's smooth. It is smooth. So what I'm going to be doing now, all this sides, the side of the body of the guitar, I'm going to be getting a red Scotch-Brite, and I'm going to be just sanding it with that. Alright, so let me start doing it, and that'll be ready. That'll be ready for the primer that's next. Right here guys, you have the neck of the guitar. I'm going to start sanding the top and the back of this. I'm more than likely going to leave this the way it is. I'm just going to sand it down, maybe clear coat it. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to sand it down and go from there. It's a real nice neck. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to change this, but I'll see. But let me start sanding this and get it ready for a primer also. Alright guys, before I go on, let me show you another guitar that I painted a while back. It's going to be this one. And this one I painted it with a metal flake. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. And this one is on the back is just clear coated, but it's real smooth. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to paint, I guess, this part on this neck. So I'm trying to leave this as it is. By the way, guys, this guitar is for sale if you guys want it. It's ESP guitar. So if you're interested, just give me a holler, email me or something. But that's what I'm trying to do to the other guitar. Okay, so let me see what I'm gonna be doing with the neck. I'm just gonna start. You already saw me sand the back, so I'm just gonna start sanding this with the red Scotch-Brite so that I can just have it smooth for a clear coat. So let me start sanding this. This guitar is ready. The color that this guitar is gonna go, it's gonna be a color shifting paint. Okay, that's the color that I'm gonna be using. That's the type of paint I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna show you how to. First, you need to spray the black paint, and then you need to spray the color shifting paint. So I'm gonna show you how to do that on this guitar, and go from there. All right, so let me start adding. I'm gonna wipe it down, and then I'm gonna start adding some adhesion promoter before I start adding the primer on it. So I already cleaned it up, and I used some wax and grease remover. I don't know if that's good or not, but hey, whatever, it worked. It's already dry, and it is what it is. So let me start taping up what I'm not gonna want painted, which is all this and the back. So I'm just gonna probably get this shape right here and tape it up from there. But and all these little crevices right here, I'm gonna tape it up also. I don't want any paint going in here. It's gonna make it harder for me to pass all the wires that need to be passed through here in order to connect everything that needs to be connected. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna start adding the adhesion promoter. All right, let's go to that step. All right, it's been primered, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it for about a week. I need this primer to soak into the wood, so I'm gonna leave it for about a week and then I'll start sanding it. Right there you can still see that it's drying, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it for a week and I'll start sanding it. This is a primer that I used. It's a 2-in-1 primer. It's a real good primer. I've used it before, and you'll be able to scuff it down, sand it, and all that. So this is the adhesion promoter. It says plastic primer, but it's the same thing. It's a different kind of name that this brand uses, but it's an adhesion promoter, and I know it's gonna work. So I've done it before, so all I need to do is wait for it to dry so that I can put some guide coat on it and start sanding it. Start sanding it smooth and get it ready for paint. All right, guys. Well, this will be it for this video. Another thing, guys, I want to give thanks to Mark. He didn't want me to say his last name. He actually didn't want me to pronounce his name, but I'm gonna give thanks to Mark. He hit that link below and helped out the channel so that I can continue to make more movies, guys. So thank you very much, Mark. And yeah, this will be it for this video, guys. Next week will be the painting process. That's going to be an interesting one. I got some unboxings that I'm going to be doing during the week. So there's a video coming up like maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. So just keep an eye for that one. All right. Okay, guys. Well, thank you. God bless and have a great week.